So we're in Celebration here in Florida. Let's go and take a look. So this is home to the Daily Woo. He lives here. He's a very big YouTuber. And we've parked up on Water Street, and there's our car. So it does look absolutely beautiful here in Celebration. We're going to go and have a look at it now. I'm going to cross over the road in a second once this truck's gone. So here we go. Look at the building there. It looks absolutely amazing, that does. And that's the Bank of America. And I'm in this absolute beautiful square here. Look at the trees. Some of the homes here in Celebration as well are absolutely out of this world, so we'll have to try if we can to show you them. But this is really interesting. That's just absolutely amazing, that building is. So we've got the hotel in front. No, it isn't a hotel. I don't know what it is. Some Thai thing. But like I say, just look at the trees and everything here. They just look absolutely unbelievable. Market Street. We'll keep walking down Market Street here. They've got like little cafes on the side of the road. People are eating and drinking. Beautiful and clean here. The cafes will probably be open in a bit. Don't forget it's only 7:30 in the morning here. So I don't know what's actually in front. It's like a lake, I think. That does look pretty amazing as well. So we'll go have a look at that. But let's just have a look here before we head across. It is absolutely fantastic. Look, it's just beautiful. We've got people just chilling out there, and just have a look at this lake here. Got sunshades. You could probably sit here all day just chilling and having a look.
Beautiful area, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice.
Rocking chairs that the lodge guys sit in.
The lodge guys have sat there, have they?
There's normally alligators somewhere.
Is there? But Darryl says there's normally
but we're going to come back
alligators.
Here.
We can come back here and have a full look, are we?
So I think, yeah, let's go do Wild Willie's.
Yeah.
Gatorland, Disney Springs, Celebration.
And then come back here.
Let's see what else we can do. But I think this is a beautiful place.
Yeah. Have a walk around here, see what we can.
Yeah, I mean there's more around here.
There's just places everywhere where you can go. I never realised there was anywhere like this really in Florida.
Because I know it's got one.
So that's a quick look. As I say, we probably will have a better look around later on today. But the buildings are just so beautiful and clean, and look how lovely it looks with all these plants and everywhere you look there's just somewhere to sit and relax. The palms are just absolutely spectacular as well. They look really, really good. We've got the soap tree there. That's a shop just selling all different kinds of soaps. Look at all the different things in there. It's an unusual plant there. That looks quite amazing. And all these shops, they've just got unbelievable stuff in. Look at this one. So like Darryl says, I think we've got to come back to Celebration later today and have a really, really good look around this area and show you more really. So we'll do that on the next film we do later on today here. Let's just stroll through this park area here, just the top end of Market Street. Got like a nice fountain and everything in here. And look at the trees again there, and the bushes and the shrubbery. They really are nice.
This is where the Daily Woo does his blogs here.
And the Daily Woo does his blogs here. Apparently if you watch the Daily Woo on YouTube, you'll see him doing his blogs here. We've got the Market Street clock there. Let's just have a little bit of a zoom in on that for you and take a look at that. That looks really, really good as well.
Come here again, aren't we?
Oh, we're definitely going to come here later, won't we?
Yeah.
And have a proper walk around and have a real good look. So as I say, we parked our car there. The car is parked up there. We're just going across this road now and head to the car, and we're now going to go on the boat ride, so that should be really good for you. So join us on that, which we're going on next.